All right, to edit your personalized plaque, you're going to want to open SolidWorks, File, Open, locate the nameplate template from your downloaded files and open it. You'll see here you have the nameplate plaque with letters inset into it. What you're going to want to do to edit those is over on the design tee, right-click Extrude 6, Edit Sketch. Make sure you're facing the front of the sketch. Double-click the letters. This will open the font sketch text edit. So over here, we'll just edit it to your text here. To get a new line in the text box, you just hit enter. You can left justify, right justify, center, flip it upside down, reverse it. If you want to change the font, you'll click font. You can select the font you want. You can select the font style. You can select the font size. If your text is longer, you'll need a smaller font size. Okay to accept those changes. Click the green check mark to accept the text changes. Press exit sketch to accept your sketch changes. And you'll see now that we have the edited text here. You'll want to go File, Save As, and from there we can save it as a step file or as an STL file. And then you'll want to press Save. All right, to make the letter inserts for your personalized plaque, what you're gonna want to do, open SolidWorks, File, New, select Part, OK. In the part, we'll make a new sketch, make it on the front plane or any plane that you want. We're going to select a line for construction, midpoint line. You're going to want this line to be horizontal, although technically it doesn't really matter. All right, you've made your line. We're going to, up in the search commands, make sure you're searching your commands. Text, select the line, and then we can do the text here. So we will do the letter Y, as that is the first letter in the personalized plaque. We're going to unselect Use Font Document Font. We're going to select font. We're going to change to Gill Sans, ultra bold, point. We chose 28. Okay. We can center our text over here just so it's easier to see. In this case, a Y is symmetrical around the vertical axis, so it doesn't matter if it's mirrored. We want to make sure it's facing upwards the correct way. From there, we will accept those changes. Now, instead of exiting the sketch, what we're going to want to do is select the letter Y, right-click, dissolve sketch text, select again the sketch components now. They're no longer text. Change them to for construction. And then we're going to go offset entity. We want it offset on the inside so that there's some clearance between this letter that we're printing and the void in the personalized plaque. So we'll click reverse over here and we'll do 3/1000ths of an inch. That looks pretty good. Exit sketch. Features. Extruded boss / base. I think the depth is 0.2. So we will want to extrude 0.2. We will accept that. Then you may file, save as. You're going to want to save your part, but you'll eventually export it as a step or an STL. One note, when you print this, you may want to print it with the side that you'll look at on the print bed, as that side will be smoother and better looking, and that's the side you'll want to see. So when you put this into your personalized plaque, let's just save this to downloads as part 1. This is what it looked like. We'll get a new assembly. Okay. We will insert our components, nameplate template, part 1. And this is approximately what it will look like. There you can see we have some clearance. And on letters like the O, where there's an extruded feature, it'll be very small. What you're going to want to do is when you do the O, such as this, you may need to get a little metal pick or a toothpick and just wallow out the hole in the O so that it slides over this pin without snapping it. And these letters should be tight enough that they just fit in there. And when you print them, you're going to want to print the name template, the nameplate template, as a different color than your valve. And then you can print the letters the same color as the valve. That way it'll be like highlighted text.